God bless. Hey boy DJ. I mean I said I want to straight out of straight out of studio. Don't know the thing go. I mean I said slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing go. I can't tell them something in them. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me.
Alright, hi guys, so welcome to today's video. I do have a look on this foundation I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Juvia's Place foundation, but this video is all about Yardie Cosmetics. These earrings are actually from Yardie Cosmetics, and they want me to tell you guys that with every purchase, with each purchase, you get a free accessory. So I got my free accessory, boo. So yeah, so I got 3 palettes from them, which means I'm going to do 6 looks, 2 look per palette. Just leave it a good working into. So the first palette, so it came like this in this bag here, and this palette is called Chat Patwa palette. Oh, and it's in a sleeve. So this is the packaging. It's in a sleeve and it's shaped like Jamaica. Whoa. Chat Patwa, good tender, big up, nyam, succums, go up. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. So it comes in the sleeve. Let me just get the sleeve off. Comes in the sleeve, and the sleeve mirrors the palette. So this is hella cool. And these are the colors. Ooh, these are nice. These are nice. Wow, these are nice. So morning, wagwan, me did it. Where I go, me I go, what you say, little more, yeah man, big up, what good picnic, kungwop, talawa, jinal, nyam, yo, this is so cool. So it came with this, and look, brand Jamaica to the fullest. Anyway, I'm cheesing because this is so cool. I'm gonna fix my accessory. Chat Patwa palette translation sheet. So Patwa is how it's spelled. Then they have morning, wagwan, what is going on, Medea, I am here, where y'all go, where are you going? Oh my gosh, good job, good flipping job, you guys, amazing job. And with this, I actually got some lippies. I'm not really a fan of matte lippies anymore. I really wish they were glasses, but I got a crap ton of lippies, and I'm using every single one. So tambourine.
Don't say that word,
Jonathan. Which word?
flipping.
This flipping is not a bad word. These are all the lippies, you guys. So I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 lippies. So yeah, oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And on the, oh, this is so cool. Okay, so let me just go ahead and let me think about what look I'm going to do. BRB. So I just swatched Wagwan, and this may not come off good on camera, but in person it is so vibrant. And it's just one time. Let's do picnic. One time. I'm not a fan of like rubbing in like one time for me. Let's see, yeah man. Oh gosh, my nail. One time. My other finger here. These, let me see what you say. Oh gosh, I don't want to. One swipe. Alright, so let's see how they translate on the eye tops. So let me go in with oh my, and it has a mirror. Okay, so let me go in with Big Up. Big Up is this color here, and I'm going to be using that on my brow bone. Wow, a nice brow bone color, nice and neutral, well for me. All right, okie dokie, not bad at all. Oh, I've been doing so much orange looks, but I would love how orange looks on my skin tone. My skin tone. Alright, so that's that. Let me go in with a little more. Let me see. Mama brush. No girl. My net brush. This was use goods. So let's see. What am I saying? I'm going a little more. A little more. I'm saying no, Medea. I could try Medea. I'm going with Medea. And you guys are just doing this look with me. I love these. Okay, you see, it's nice and pigmented. Now look, just looking at the palette, I was like, okay, these colors are cute. I wasn't expecting it to have this color pay off. I don't know if I should be saying this because I don't like this is giving me some dubious vibe. Like I go off of I only have what I can make, we call it now, like a link to what I've been using and what I absolutely love, and that's Juvia's Place. And these little giving me Juvia's vibes of. So let's go with where set. Wow, yo. Wow, you guys, this is so smooth and buttery. It is not patchy at all. I am getting my life. Okay, this is everything. This orange is everything. Oh my god, this is so good. And I'm not like digging, I'm not digging like my brush in the colors. Oh my god, yo, this is everything. Alright, so let me go in with a little more. I love you.
How about my lip balm?
No.
When I finish filming, I can give my lip balm, please.
Okay. So now I'm going with a little more, but just a little bit. I'm not sure.
Maybe 8 o'clock?
No, sir, not so late. But when I finish, I'll call you. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so come. So just I'm going to went in with, you see, just a hint of that pink. Little more is a pink. What else? What am I gonna do now? I really want to do, yeah, man. But I also want to do Jinal and Talawa and Nyam. Pick me. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Alright, I could try Jinal. So Jinal is this green, same brush. The green is not coming off how it is. This is looking turquoise. That's not the green, and this blue is hella darker in person. And that is a light turquoise, is like a dark tealy green. So let me just, guys, I want you to understand I have on no eyeshadow base. I'm definitely doing another look at this palette. Definitely. So I'm definitely going to be doing 2 looks per palette. What? Yo, bruh, I'm geeked. I am geeked. Oh my god, how is this so pigmented? Oh my god, when I started YouTube a long time ago days, not even like the popular palettes back then had this pigmentation. So I'm going to be a man now. Yeah man, yeah man. I just knew I was gonna love you. I knew it from the jump, bruh. What I think this palette is missing is a dark color, either like a rich brown or like a black, because I want that. So I'm just patting over, applying and just like patting over. Alright, clean off a little bit, then just blend out the edges, and look at how nice it's blending. You guys, and I don't want to edit this. This is going to be like raw footage of me trying these palettes, because and then Jelly is sleeping, so like I can't afford to do this. He's not up, and I'm not wearing any eyeshadow base. Are you guys seeing this? No eyeshadow base whatsoever. I'm going to blend this up. No eyeshadow base whatsoever. Sorry guys, that's my phone, not yours. Alright, let me see. Where's that? How much brush I use? Is 2 brush I use? Oh yeah, so the other brush here. Alright, so I'm gonna take the first brush and then I'm gonna blend out. I'm gonna blend out. I'm gonna take a little more. And just a little bit. I'm gonna just pat it. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, so those two, let me get a smaller brush. Here we go. And I'm going with, I'm gonna say Talawa. I'm swatching. Oh, Talawa. Why use Talawa? No, I'm use Talawa. Don't get so alright. So I'm gonna use Gue. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ho. Stop the shouting, Jonathan. Stop the shouting. Ooh. This is everything. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with Ginal. That's the green right here, and I tell you it's darker in person. I don't know, when I edit it I'm going to see what's coming off, but what you're seeing is not that light pretty seafoam green. Like this green is so nice. Wow, I am so geeked. Wow, look at my eyes. Wow. Alright then, so I'm gonna have, oh no, I'm gonna have my black eyeliner. Oh no. Okay, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take one brush and dig in at this, yes, so come on a black eyeliner, done. So let me go in with Talawa first, and I was barely touching Talawa. Look, let me zoom in. You guys, I did not wet the brush. Crap. I didn't wet the brush, I just wiped the brush in my shoes. Jonathan, I'll just blend out here. I'm gonna go in with a little more and just blend out right here. What? So I think with each palette I'm going to do a colorful look like this, and then a more muted look, you know, to appeal to all ages or whatever. blending out that here. I am so involved. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I really want to put the green and the blue down there. So this is Jinal again. Jinal, and then Yama. Look at how pigmented. Wow. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to take this brush, this one, and I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it under here. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I mean, I understand my eye looks aren't for everybody, but damn, this palette. Honey, why you don't like? So let's go ahead and add my lashes. Alright, so I have my lashes on, everyone.
They look pretty.
Thank you. I love the colors, you guys. So I'm going to take NUME and I'm going to put it oh my gosh, right there. Right there. You throw them away for me, Jonathan?
I'm counting these.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them.
Alright, you guys. So no, I did not get any like glow stuff or blush, so we're just gonna have to let it do what it. Only throw the ones on the floor there.
Okay.
You're gonna have to let it do what it do. So I am going to take Gouet. This is hella pigmented, you know, so alright.
Oh, I take up all of them.
Thank you. Throw them back on me, please. Wow. Wow. I'm looking at my eye makeup and I'm just in love. I'm in love, you guys.
God.
Thank you, puppy.
Welcome, Simone.
Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using Ginger, and this is their Chups collection. And in Jamaica, Chups means kiss, and kisses have to do with lips. So everything is puppy. So oh, bless you. So everything is matte. Well, this is matte, right? Right? Yeah, it's matte. Oh my god. Oh my god. One time, once. This is a creamy matte. Oh my god. Jesus. No way. Okay, so it's like So it's matting up now. So it goes on creamy, then it's matting up. And just blend out. This is it for the look. Blush. I ain't got no blush one. So for my blush, I'm gonna be using YKmucu. God, I shouldn't have used that much. Yo. Oh, sorry. Wow. Come to the way, Juvias. And I go there. Juves. Come, Juves. I can't stare at this. Come. Wow. You guys, this palette, this overall look is absolutely breathtaking. I love it so much.
I love my earring.
You love my earring?
Yeah, they look very, very pretty.
Thank you. Can I get a kiss? I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, so come. Guys, I cannot believe this is me. You guys, this is are you guys understanding how major this is? Right? Because for Jamaican cosmetics brand, we tend to look cheap and just like underrated, but this, so okay, so it doesn't look as polished as some palettes, right? I'm going to be honest, it doesn't look as polished as like a KKW or like a Juvia's, but I'm telling you, when I say this palette is everything. Looking at these colors, you'd never think that I could get this colorful look from just looking at these colors. I'm not bashing Yardie Cosmetics or nothing. I'm not, and I'm making references because it's what you guys are familiar with. It's what I'm familiar with, you know. But I have the Kim Kardashian X Winnie palette that's in my kit, and this palette just all over that palette, all over that palette, all over that palette, all over that palette, honey. And the where did Jesus got it last? Don't drop it. Where honey? Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus, but everything will drop. So I need a sizable filming space. Jesus. Oh, you got. You guys. I am geeking out. I'm genuinely shocked. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm extremely proud of Yardie Cosmetics. I'm extremely proud of Yardie Cosmetics. I am extremely proud of Yardie Cosmetics. Wow. Wow. This is the look. I'm done. Wow. Wow.
Them asana, friend on there again. Them quick fi sell out like hot bread. Friend on there again. Them vex cause you alive and not dead. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who know me love life and don't want to see 10. Who did it for me have me 33 10 and